I think the biggest ick when I walk into a kitchen is the fact that you can't congregate around the island bench. It's really important that you have the right space for people to sit, to cook, to talk. I think a lot of people get too caught up on how it looks.
I can't stand a cooktop in the island. That really does my head in.
A butler's pantry at the expense of the rest of the kitchen, I think is a no-no.
Too much clutter, bad lighting, pendant lights.
When you've got a great big island bench, but you can't put stools under, so they have the marble that just goes straight down to the floor.
Bedside lamps that are too small drive me bananas. Bedsides that are too small drive me bananas. Lack of storage in bedsides drives me bananas. So not an ick, but definitely lots of bananas.
Lack of space, bed that's too big or too small for the space.
I hate seeing mess everywhere because it means you don't have the right storage because nothing is put away.
Bad natural light. I like morning sun coming into a bedroom.
No bedside tables and no bedside lights.
Something that gives me the ick in a bathroom, I've seen it with my own two eyes, carpeted floors. Believe it. Carpeted floors.
Particularly living in Melbourne, if you don't have underfloor heating.
I hate tiny showers. There's nothing worse than being in a shower and you're sort of like, If you've got the space, a big shower, please.
Cannot stand a vertical towel rail. Can't fold your towels and put them on neatly.
Those grubby little mats that go around a toilet, that's an ick.